So it's a momentous occasion for Arakil Gold and Diamonds as we open our largest yet showroom in Sharjah Safari Mall. This is our second showroom in Sharjah, and we are in a growth trajectory. So here we have our chairman, Mr. Tanveer CP, our managing director, Mr. Tahir Mohammed, and our operations manager, Mr. Noor Mohammed. So for Arakil Gold and Diamonds, it's indeed a great year that we are looking at. For 2025, we are looking at opening up in Abu Dhabi coming August, and also we are also looking at entering into other GCC and European markets by 2026. All this is possible with our great team that we have at Arakil Gold and Diamonds. And for the year 2025, we have earmarked and we are introducing 500 kilos of gold in our new design sector.